Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this DirectX error where it says a D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shader model 5 is required to run the engine. Okay, this is actually pretty easy to fix. So first up, go ahead and open up your search bar and type in system update like so. Now go ahead and click on check for updates. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and click on check for updates. All right, as you can see here, if there are available updates, you just gotta click on download and install. Now wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, click on advanced options. Okay, in here, go ahead and go to optional updates. Now go ahead and install everything right here as well. Okay, download and install, and once done, it will require you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer, and after that, you should be good to go. Now if that still will work, let's go ahead and download a DirectX. Open up your favorite browser and just type in DirectX download like so. Now go ahead and click on the download from Microsoft itself. Okay, we have this DirectX end user runtime web installer. Just go ahead and click on it. Now once it loads, click on download. Okay, right here. Just click on it, save it wherever you want. Wait for the process to finish and just click on it to begin the installation process. Okay, now this pop-up will load. I'm just going to go ahead and close the browser and just hit on accept right here, hit on next, untick this bloatware, just hit on next. Now do the same thing, just follow simple prompts. I'm not going to do it again because I've already installed it. Okay, once that's installed, first stop, restart your computer. Okay, it will say installation complete, just hit on finish, restart. And after that, should be good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.